Yo, hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Lawrence, and I'm a freelance graphic designer from beautiful Denver, Colorado. And this is my channel where I create website and graphic design content to help your independent design studio grow. So, like and subscribe to stay up to date on all the latest videos. Thank you for stopping by. Now, let's get into it. All right, so right now we are working on Fork River Construction's website. And man, is it a beefy website! It's all a it's all about selling these services: tile, flooring, paint, kitchen, and bathroom. But as you can see, it kind of takes a second for our content to load up. We're looking at like 2 to 3 seconds. Um, so we need to, help our audience feel more comfortable with the wait. And the best way to do that is to add a preloader. And you've seen them before. You go to a website and there's like some sort of spinning motion or some animation going on. So that's what we're going to create today in Elementor using this code from an awesome resource, Element.How. Um, Super simple. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our page in Elementor first. So we're going to go to the very top of the page. I'm not talking about the header, but I'm just talking about at the top of the page. So hit the plus sign, and we're going to want to insert the HTML widget. You don't have to pay for it. It's not on the pro plan or anything. It's completely free. You just drop it in, boom. So now we've got that set up, and we've got the HTML code interface on the left side, ready to go. So what I'm going to do is come back to our awesome resource from the awesome people at Element.How. By the way, I will leave the link in the description for you guys to check this out. I highly recommend using it. It's pretty simple. So we're just going to kind of scroll down. We don't want to use this first one. We're going to use the second one. And you're going to have to like create an account and sign in. Super easy. You just give them your email. But we're going to go ahead and hit copy code. Boom, copied. And pop over here to HTML code and paste it in. Okay. Now we've got everything in here. All right. We've got all of the code. We've got the loader. We've got the colors of things, uh, keyframes to make the animation spin. But we just got to do one thing. We have to insert our URL. So I'm going to grab this, Control C, come back to Elementor, and in between the stars, paste your URL, okay? And then click Update. That's doing its thing. And I'm going to come over here to my preview page, and it should update for me automatically. And now, look, we have that awesome loader. Let me see if it's on every. It's not going to be on every screen, but you can on every page, but it can be on every page if you want it to be. Um, Definitely just choose the ones where, it's going to take a while to load. So I'm definitely going to put this on the pricing page, but like the home page, I highly recommend doing that, just throwing it in. But something I'm noticing, let me hit refresh again. The colors. The colors are kind of off right here. We don't have a yellow. I would love to change the yellow to an orange. And let me see, what else do we have here? Yellow. No, we already have an orange. So I'll turn the yellow to brown. And it's super easy. Let me just pop over here to our HTML code. And I'm going to scroll down. And we have our different loaders. These are the loaders that spin. So I'm going to find yellow. Double click it. Just type in brown. Click update. While that's updating, I'm going to come over here to my preview window and see what happens. All right, now that's like brown. It's like almost red. Check that out. Screenshot it. One more time. Ugh. Screenshot. Do it quick. Yeah, that's better. It's a nice little customization. But yeah, there you have it. Element.How, check them out. But yeah, that is how you add a preloader to your Elementor site in seconds. Literally seconds. You don't need to know how to code, how to do development, none of that stuff. I don't know how to do any of that stuff either. I just drag and drop. But yeah, so thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you next time.